Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Kate Spade unboxing. I'm not really feeling that great today, so I'm gonna kind of stay behind the camera and just do the quick unboxing. And yeah, I think last week, so a little background about this is that last week, or not last week, like a couple of weeks ago, I had put up a poll and I had asked you guys that I have a few unboxings to do, which one you guys want to see first. I think most of you said Louis Vuitton. So that unboxing I posted last week. And if you haven't seen that, I will leave a link to it up here in the cards as well as in the description box down below. But basically, I have Kate Spade that is next. I think Kate Spade got like the second highest votes. So I'm going to go with Kate Spade now. And then I have a Gucci unboxing coming up next week or sometime soon. So definitely subscribe down below. Also like this video so that you don't really miss that unboxing. And as far as this one goes, there isn't really anything fancy. You can just see like the bag right there. There is no like there's nothing spectacular going on, but I still really love Kate Spade. I find their bags really feminine, really cute, very stylish. So I picked up this one a couple of weeks ago, and I didn't really intend to get this one honestly, but I was there exchanging something and I just had to basically pick something, and I picked this one. So it comes in a Kate Spade bag like this because this one is an outlet product. So here is the bag, a very tiny bag. And ta-da! There it is. It's a heart bag. It's a small heart bag. And this one is actually released in many colors. So they have blue, they have orange, they have yellow. I mean, they have so many colors in this one. And obviously I went with the red one because I mean, it's heart. Come on, it's gotta be red, right? But yeah, basically it's a very tiny bag and a very cute one. It does have a strap. So basically there's only one zipper and it goes all the way around. It does have a strap like this, and then that's what it looks like on the inside. And let me show you the tag in case you want to buy it. So there is the tag. So there is that, and that's what the bag looks like on the inside. It's just got one slip pocket. I don't know what this is. I think this is like their security tag, which they forgot to remove. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I don't think it's gonna fit very much, probably a card holder, keys, and some lipstick. That's about it. But it is very cute. Now, as far as the strap is concerned, it attaches just like so, and it is not detachable. So you can't really remove it. It's gotta stay there. So yeah, and this is the strap up close. It's quite substantial and it does have some weight to it. It's not that heavy though. Honestly, it's not too bad, but it does have some weight to it. So just so you guys know. And while I'm showing you this small heart bag, I also want to show you my ultimate Kate Spade heart bag, which is this little guy over here. Well, it's not that little. So this is how like heart bags started for me. This is my very first heart bag, and then this is the second one. Let me actually put the strap inside on this one so it's just easier to see it side by side. All right, so I tucked the strap in on this one so you can easily see it. But basically that is the size difference between these two. I will remove or put this one away somewhere else so that you can see it clearly. But yeah, there is the two heart bags. I think this one is a medium size and this one is a small size. Don't quote me on it. I can't really remember. Maybe the tag has it. And oh yeah, so it does say mini heart just right over there. So this is a mini heart, and I don't know the size of this one, but they're both so beautiful. Since I already had a pink one, I went with the red one here, and it is just so darn cute. And yeah, I just want to quickly show you both of these bags side by side. I think I'll do like another video just comparing the two. If you guys are interested in it, definitely let me know in the comment box down below if you want me to do a video like that. But yeah, otherwise that's pretty much it. There's nothing else about this bag. I mean, it is very, very cute, but that's how it looks like at the bottom. I don't think I showed you guys that. It's really nice. It's got nice like black piping, which looks very, very cute. I just really like it, and I think the leather is Saffiano leather, very durable, very nice. I do see this one little mark over here. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can't believe I missed that. Anyways, it's not too bad. Plus, I don't even know if I can exchange it anymore because this is already exchanged. But yeah, that's about it. It's a beautiful bag. Both of these are beautiful bags. I love Kate Spade. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this a big thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys now in my next video. Actually, I forgot to mention that I'm not going to insert mod shots in this video. Definitely stay tuned for mod shots though. I'm not really feeling well today, so I don't feel like getting in front of the camera. But I will do mod shots at some point. I'm thinking maybe I'll post another video, like a quick reel or something. Not a reel, like quick short or something. Just showing you guys both of these bags, maybe either both of them or at least one of them, just so you guys can see how it looks like on me. But yeah, stay tuned for that video. As soon as I have that up, I'll leave a link to that in the description box down below as well. But that really does it for today's video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming mod shots, not upcoming, like upcoming video of mod shots, as well as my Gucci unboxing. I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Until then, take care, stay safe, bye.